Well, this came in today, and I thought, what have I ordered with batteries? I don't have anything coming in that I expect. Then I saw Lumenate, the name on there. This is great. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. This is the box. Pretty nice looking packaging. There we go. There we go. Your inner world awaits. Got a little drawer. Look at that presentation. That looks great. That's awesome. There's the controls up top and the charging port. Let's look in here. Got a QR code. Paperwork with the product info and the quick start guide. Charging cord, USB-C. And then a little carry case. Nice little bag. I like that. And there we go. That's what I got with my Lumenate Nova package. And it really looks nice. It Velcros on here so you can take it off and wash it. It's adjustable with Velcro. I've got a big head, so we're going to leave this way out here. And then I got the power button, and then the intensity up and down, and then the charge port. And this is a little LED showing you the state of the charge. And then right inside it says, close your eyes. And there are 4 LEDs in there. But when you use it, you would imagine there's way more than 4. It's hard to believe there's only 4 in there. And that's what you get with the package. There is a QR code in here, as well as on the quick start guide. It takes you to the App Store to download the app. If you already have that, then you can just open the app and navigate to how to set up the Nova device. You'll want to plug it in to charge it, and you'll notice that the light glows on and off with a slow green pulse as it's charging. After installing the Lumenate app, locate the icon and launch it from your phone's desktop. With Bluetooth activated on your phone, pair the Nova unit to your phone. In Settings, you can find the Lumenate Nova submenu and see the settings for it. Navigate to the Discover Nova session, which will help you become acquainted with your new Nova device. Select Play Session in order to begin your very first Nova session. Follow the guided steps in order to place the Nova device on your head and then to put on your over-ear headphones for an immersive experience. Put the Nova device over your eyes and then press the Start button on the left side. Now it's time to begin your session by tapping the play button in the middle of the screen.